Hello Scorpio, I hope you're doing well and creating your own happiness. Welcome and thank you for being with me today. My name is Aba. This is general reading. If it does resonate to you, please like, share, subscribe, help the channel to grow, and I truly appreciate. End of the reading, Scorpio, I put up the spread message for you. Be tuned, stay tuned with me. Now find out about what is the Scorpio. What is the Scorpio message? Message for the Scorpio today. What the Scorpio need to know. What Scorpio need to know. Scorpio, you're so busy. What's going on? What's going on your life? Very, very busy. I see, lots of good movement, lots of positive movement. You are just very fast-paced action. What are you doing? I think, is maybe you're busy with friends, maybe busy with family, maybe busy at work, whatever this is you're very, very busy. And you're exhausted. Because it's too much is going on in your life, Scorpio. But this is all, everything is good. Everything is good, Scorpio. Everything is positive. I say, is you just need to learn how to do the multitasking. Just managing, prioritizing your schedule. Which one you need to do, first. Prioritize that. This is everything is, I see the positive. I see lots of good thing is in your life, is going on in your life. And I see, is maybe some of you, they just wanted to just move to other country. I see some movement, is lots of movement. And maybe just going to another country. And this is, of course, is challenging time, but this challenge is, give you more strong. You're getting stronger. And I see, some of you, they just wanted to open their own business, or maybe they have their business and they just wanted to just change the business. But some of you, they wanted to just go for the new business. I see is lots of, thinking is in your head, Scorpio. You're so busy. You wanted to just move on. You manifest for that. You manifest. You like to have this kind of, movement in your life, Scorpio. And I see, some of you is, using their imagination. I say, using their imagination, and they're just going for their inner knowing and putting extra time. And because I see, some of you are very curious. Very curious. Page of the Cup is all about the relationship, all about the love, all about relationship. I see, some of you are very, very curious, and they're using their imagination, and they wanted to know what's going on, and they're thinking, is outside of the box, because they wanted to have, something extra. They wanted to have something, is just thinking about, some more networking, is having more relationship, having, is something new is coming, they're all good. But this is, talking about more relationship, maybe going to other country and, have more friends. Maybe some of you, I feel they can find their soulmate. And Scorpio, I feel, you're gonna get married by in this this year you're gonna get married. I have this feeling about the Scorpio, and I saw is some of the cards that shows that is the going to get married. But some of you, they just stay on the relationship, and I see is manifesting for the something good is coming to you. And this is the star card is telling me. Star card is actually you wish for that, you wish for the hope. This is the hope, this is the wishing, manifesting, and being is working. I see a good feeling. Everything is going very well. Some of you, they wanted to open their own business. Some of you, they wanted to go to the farm business. I see, some of you, they wanted to just start their own business, but they are very talented. They go to their farm. They wanted to go for the farm business. Some of you, they just wanted to buy the house. They are looking to buying the house and just do some renovation and just go for this, is rented and have some income. Whatever you decided, whatever you wanted to do, this is a good decision. This decision you're making is gonna impact to your future life. You need to just make sure to make this wise decision, Scorpio, at this time. And I see is there is you building your wealth too. You're working to building your wealth too, Scorpio. And this is, I feel some of you is receiving the financial assistance, and that is going to help you if you wanted to open your business. It's going to help you for some, or you wanted to buy the house. It's going to help you. And this income is maybe come from the inheritance, something you're going to get, and that is going to you starting to improving your wealth. I see you're just improving your wealth, Scorpio. Some of you, they already need some maybe more, is thinking to maybe budget their income and expenses. For some of you, they need to just having some realistic budget that can, something that can capable to work on it, Scorpio. Some of you need to maybe get some advice from the financial advisor to make sure they can have this. They can put it this financial in the place. Some of you, they are having balance, and they are set their wealth, and is I can see some growth, I can see income, I can see is building your abundance, and I can see is but some of you, they need to work on that to build it, and don't be hesitate to get the help. If you need to get the help from the your financial advisor, just get the help from the financial advisor. Let's find out about the more message for the Scorpio. What Scorpio need to know? Scorpio, you just need to trust yourself. Trust yourself, believe yourself, and the Spirit wants you trust yourself. When you're trusting yourself, and then is everything is easy for you. Everything you can work on it. It's gonna be so easy, and you can find out. And this is is a time to just patient. Be patient. Be patient. Everything is working for you, Scorpio. And let's see more message for the Scorpio. What more messages for the Scorpio? Scorpio need to more message for from the spirit. One more message for the spirit. Yes, whatever you wanted to do, Scorpio, the answer is yes, you can do that. What a powerful reading. I see, you, I like your reading. I hope you enjoy your reading. Your like, share, subscribe, help the channel to grow, and I truly appreciate. I love you, Spirit love you, love yourself as you love others. Be healthy, be happy, be kind. Until next reading. Bye-bye.